roof over this house.
Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the quest for the garage store. Raw and unfiltered freaking Minecraft gameplay over.
Shut up!
We're trying to get a roof on our house right now before we start trying to find the nearest red town, which we probably
Look
should have
at this
done
guy.
first.
Thinks he's a YouTube phenomenon because he plays Minecraft.
Well, I have 400 subs, so I got some subs. All my subs come from here too. That's really almost all. I have so many subs. It's not even funny. Nice girl.
It's actually sad.
Sad that I got 400 subs off the server.
I mean, you're sad. It's not because of the subs. It's just you're sad.
I am sad. Oh, darkness is my old friend. Alright.
God, is that
Our house is
a Minecraft feels?
Yes, it is. I don't know. Okay, we should probably bring our bed over. Random kid.
You just deleted. You just deleted that person.
I was like,
Lord.
bang!
Did you hear that?
Shotgun dude, 21.
Oh my God.
Damn.
They're dangerous on the server.
I got my sniper does 15, and my pistol does 8.5. So.
What kind of guns are you using?
Oh, I'm using a normal Dragunov, uncommon Spaz, and uncommon M1. Moving our bed.
Hey Alex, I don't know if I was supposed to put these stairs down here. You might want to come back and double check.
I'm coming back to the bed. I put new spawn point sirs in case those kids come back.
Yep.
I love how we're building a base, but like a moment we're done getting a garage door, we're gonna never play the server again.
Probably.
Hold up, let me first put down the bed.
Oh, this area is flat. Oh my God.
Yeah,
it's
you'd think it'd be
really
full
nice.
of retarded houses, but yo and behold, only ours is here.
Okay, we should definitely put our bed like right here.
How the
so-
dome and actual rust? Like, oh, like, you know.
so you can get ourselves killed through the door.
Would you place the bed right there?
Oh.
Why?
Yeah, you replace it there so you can spawn right there. So we can all spawn in the exact same spot and be cringy. There we go. Good things. Okay, let's do
I
this.
like sleeping with you guys.
Yeah, it's
Alright, so right here, did you need me to fill these in?
That's weird.
Yes, we gotta fill these in.
On my tablet because my Discord is lagging. So, excuse me.
Okay.
Oh. That was
The
disgusting.
fastest see you soon I've ever heard, dude.
That was the nicest slurp I've ever had. What?
Sir,
I slurped that bit gone. Just joking.
he choked himself. Okay.
Please, I'm lagging so badly.
Oh no, there's scrums. This just sucks.
I like when I look down, I don't lag. I like when I look down. You just killed the scrub.
Oh, my shoddy.
How could you kill the scrub?
Because it's a scrub. I don't know, man.
He was gonna
He
scrub
tried
that
to
bit.
TP in someone. He stopped for 1 second and started doing something.
There's a guy outside our door.
Hey, Sangor is chill.
I know. Oh my God,
Sir,
I hate lag.
Alright, I bring
Why am I still
chests. Real scrubs. Real scrubs. And he's moving in the same
Oh.
direction. He's running towards Sangor. Oh no, 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 no. Get away from Sangor, you fool. Oh, well, screw that. He's got dodge swing skills. Nice. I can't fucking snipe for the life of me. Minus 10 rounds from sniper. Oof, oof, oof. I gotta oof like Jake. You know Jake left your team. Ha! Look at your nose. Alright.
What did you say? Oh, I know why. No wonder I'm at my render's on 32. Oh my God, no wonder I was lagging.
Hey.
Easy.
Sir, I was trying to reload my rifle.
Well, you know, I used to be an MI6, so
Hold on, I'm beating up this guy whose skin is like a girly skin. I need to kill this Roblox noob.
My FPS was 100. My FPS was at extreme, and so was my render distance was at extreme, and that's why
My
I was lagging
FPS?
so.
2,000.
My FPS. I have 49 FPS on this server. I have 70.
I'm getting 100 right now because I turned down my render distance all the way to 5. I was lagging so bad. I'm trying to figure out why I'm lagging.
Turn off smooth lighting.
There's an earthquake, guys.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. No, yeah, that's a good idea actually. Oh, 150! I'm so happy.
Alright, so like, what's this garage door? Is it some sort of mythical item that? Damn.
Yeah, we gotta find it. It's brand new in the
garage door.
So it's like an actual item, or we just gotta craft
It's an actual item that we can craft.
It's an actual item.
But we can't craft it until we get the recipe.
We can either craft it or I can sell something for it. Either one.
The moment we get it, we quit this cringy server and go build online again. This is a nice break from my building cringe.
I'm gonna go play on Unturned and go kiss people.
Oh my god. I actually paid for Golden Unturned.
Same.
I have this I've spent over $1,000 on Unturned in the past.
Hey, I've spent like $200 on CS:GO.
Oh yeah.
I've spent like 1,500.
I quit a CS:GO. It was too hard. I was a silver 2 when I quit.
It was too hard. The silver 2 when you
too
quit.
hard. I quit.
I'm gonna go bring the rest of our gear from this over.
Okay.
Disassemble the old house.
I don't care about it.
Okay.
Thing's ugly.
I have, I have access to Fox Ray's mines right now. You know that. You just like sent me a message. He said, "You want access to my mines?" I'm like, "Sure."
Who's that? Never heard of him.
Fox. You know who Fox Ray is? Fox underscore
Fox
extra.
Ray. Oh,
Yeah, MI6.
Something.
No, Fox Ray. He gave me access to his mines.
Precious cargo coming through.
Oh,
Dum, 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 dum.
high five.
I'm bringing like 3 AKs, 2 rifles, a bunch of leather armor.
High five. Give me a. Ouch!
That was a pretty nice high five. I want a high five.
You want a high five?
I
Nope.
gave him a high spaz.
I said no.
The misspelled spaz. Spaz.
Is it SPAZ or SPAS?
Yeah, dude.
Spaz.
It's spelled with a freaking Z on here. I'm done.
He's done. Game is literally unplayable. Not like it was playable to begin with, but
Dude, spaz actually stands for something. It's like
there's a shit ton of damage too. M24, that's a gnarly rifle.
Oh, uncommon double barrel. Give
Hold
me
on,
that.
I gotta check this real quick.
Give me some blocks.
I'm running the wrong way.
Yeet.
Yeet. I don't know when you're gonna upload this video, Alex, but this is probably the cringiest first video we've ever recorded.
I don't know. I'm here, so it might be the best. Yo, there's a guy here. Got a rifle.
Let's kill him. Is that 2 hearts?
Oof.
Sporting purpose automatic shotgun. That's what SPAS stands for. Sporting purpose automatic shotgun. And
I think it stands for Sporting Purpose Automatic Shotgun. So pretty sure you're wrong.
You're retarded. You know that.
Well, according to this server, it's called Spath.
Alex, come here.
Moderators, if you're watching this video, just ban me already. I don't even want to be on here.
It's Yusuf, the cringy staff member, and this is the other Terry guy. Alex, come here. Go down. I want you to break this block over here. I want you to break this. I'm gonna show you something cool. I got something that we've been looking for forever.
We've been on the server for like 40 minutes.
Break this.
We has window for our home. Hey, let's go to that
You sound like Wiki Tiki. You sound like Wiki Tiki. You know who that is, right?
Whoa.
It's a little kid. He's like 10 years old, and we were playing a game. He's like, "Oh my god, I got spies!" It was great. Alive.
Hey.
I kill myself.
Did Alex just use a majority of our wood? I think he did.
Sorry, I made more chests.
Oh my god!
We have double storage now.
Whoa, dude, we're living the high life right now. Can you believe it? We're actually wealthy. We have a home.
Yes, we're not living off government welfare.
So, like, where are we gonna put this garage door, and why is it so important?
We're gonna put it over here because it's a new item on here. You gotta get there's new items for the easy views. I don't know.
New items. You heard it here. New items for the easy view. Except I missed right now. I thought it was like new items for easy nudes. I'm like, who would?
Me?
Why
Yeah, I do for sure.
You don't score jack crap.
The color of her house.
Oh my god, look what I just got. Oh.
Oh my god, he's brought his legendary blocks from the other dimensions.
Go take that stutter and think about what you just said. Oh, the bitch. Hey guys, do you know what time it is? Time to the duel.
What is that supposed to be? Morse code?
It's so stupid.
It's supposed to be Morse code.
No, it's remember that what's it called? It's time to duel.
Duel spins Beyblade on the ground.
Yeah, Beyblade. Let her rip.
You know, I actually used to play that. Beyblade, on blade now, spin now, on blade now, Beyblade,
Alex, I think we need to have an intervention. And by have an intervention, I think we need to kill him with an intervention.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, it does sound good.
Funny moments / trying to get new items.
Funny Moments episode 112. Yeah, that's right. We've had 111 more episodes.
Alex doesn't have any funny moments.
50 minutes and we've made no progress towards our ultimate goal.
Dude, you want
we
to
got a house. We killed. To be honest, people interrupted our. We had to.
We had to accommodate for them.
All right, listen here, fucko. You're not. I'm not locked in here with you. You're locked in here with me, bitch.
That's what I said to my girlfriend last night. What are you doing? I'm a PvP.
Oh god, oh god. I don't want to pick up those items. Innocent bystander. I still picked up a chest plate. Alright. Great.
I've been punched that fire.
Look at this placement. Now we can get shot through our walls.
It's all your fault,
That's
Alex.
how you live.
It's all your fault, Dad. It's all your fault.
Move. I'm trying to fix it.
You're trying to fix the walls, you scrubber. Oh my god. I'm trying to fix the wall. Move.
Misclicks block like an idiot.
I'm trying to fix the wall. Move.
We can stop worrying about grenades now.
Grenades now? You want to see a grenade? Let me see if I can craft one. Actually, I'm going to say buying grenade. Buying grenade / message for legendary type. Here we go.
All those little kids on the server just probably messaged you.
Yeah, this makes sense. Oh my god, you got a type legendary? No way!
You know, I would say that's a pretty good voice crack impersonation. If I knew it was fake. It's
wow.
Wow.
Aren't you so cool, man?
I am cool. You know what else is cool? I'm a 20-year-old playing Minecraft. Somebody end my life.
A 20-year-old playing Minecraft.
Oh, I'm so depressed.
That is kind of sad, honestly. Hey, why don't you, what
you blocked me in! No! Ow!
Easy trap base.
Whoa. I kill the winner. I kill the winner.
People say a hack.
I opened the craft.
I kid.
Oh
okay,
gosh.
Let's go do a request.
Go find this stupid garage door of myth.
This mythical.
This is the guy messaging me. Dude, you wanna buy leggings? Let's go. Wait, don't kill that guy over there. He wants to sell me leggings. Dude, I sell you leggings for one. You know what? You wanna?
Alex, that's the same guy you laid out last time.
I don't want your leggings, mate.
Raider or whatever his name.
You should have eaten him. He didn't have any armor on.
I don't need food. I already ate Sangar. Wink, wink. I'm just joking.
No.
Yeah, didn't
You could have
I'm like a buffet line with takeout and unlimited for $5.
Yo, Sangar, come here. Take
S-A-N-G-O-R, you autist.
I'm calling you Sangar. Take off your gear.
He's gonna cannibalize you.
Ah! Wow, that was spooky.
Put it back on your armor and he can't do it to you. Yeah. Dang, that was the fastest armor.
You can do that. Ow, I don't have my. You took my food. Give it back.
Yeah.
I had like 8 sticks on me.
Take some bandages so you can heal.
I only have 1 bandage, that's right. Oh
my God.
No bandage.
Wait,
Oh my
we have
God.
to mine this. Scrubbers be like, why can't I mine this?
Me, efficiency 1 will do. Alright. I know I stole someone's freaking pick.
Alex,
earlier.
how rich I am right now.
What?
Dude, that was your fault. That was your fault.
Hey!
That was all your fault.
Cool.
Yeah, Sangar.
So, he's never gonna say it right, Alex.
I know.
I don't even know what his name is, and he's never gonna say it right.
My name is Ty.
His name is Taiwan.
Ching Chang, are you up? I saw your noodles.
Sucky fucky five bucky. Sucky fucky long time, one time. Sucky fucky long time, one time,
I
one
know
time.
that song. I do not.
Oh, is this
You're a 20-year-old man that knows that song. That is sad. Easy kills. Kill. Easy.
You seem to be hitting me more than anything else.
Sorry, Sangar. I'm so sorry, good friend.
Ow!
I accidentally set you on fire.
Yeah, accidentally. That's kind of hard to do.
I hit you with a flaming sword. That's.
I don't
That's
think Singer
all.
likes.
I thought you were a bandit. You were the.
Singer, I can
Was
regen
a
your health.
bandit.
I know how to regen your health. Come here. I know how to regen your health. Okay, so what you do is you stand still.
Ow!
See, I regen you now. TP back.
Hey, that's not nice.
I regen your health. Yay.
Ooh.
Sangar, TPA, quick.
Hey, one of these bandits just dropped me an AK-47.
Sangar.
I TP to Alex because I know what his name in game is. Because I
My
pressed
name
tab.
is the Galaxy. My name is XXX Killer XXX14.
Oh my god, you are the cringiest 12-year-old Minecraft name I've ever heard.
I was not.
Galaxies.
Like, I would go look for your name, but I press tab and I just see AIDS.
Listen, okay. Listen,
Like,
okay.
What
I
do
was
these?
nine
What are those
when I made
chest
my name.
symbols? I don't understand. Where's my
The
gear?
chest symbols. Those are like the leaders of the clans and stuff. Right now, I'm in the clan that's with Foxray, and this technically
You're an
am I.
MS-13. Those kids rated me.
Well,
Looks like somebody's about to get deleted.
that's unfortunate.
You're unfortunate.
Unfortunate. I'll show you.
I know. That's what happened when I was on the highway.
You unfortunate.
Why are you killing me? Stop! Oh my god, there's a guy trying to kill me. Stop, I'm on 1 heart.
You're on 1 heart?
Stop!
Oh, he had iron pick. What was this kid doing?
There was an iron pick.
Why are you chasing?
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Bandits.
If you don't stop chasing me, I will rape you, Sangar.
I'm just running, dude. I just happen to be running in the same direction as you. Don't worry about it, man. It's
Well, I'm
easy.
gonna run this way. You're gonna fucking chase me, you screw.
Dude, this is just like a predetermined path given to me by God.
Yeah, that's what the 20-year-old said on Minecraft.
Stop! Mom, they're beating me on Minecraft!
Ow, freaking bandits. I don't know ammo.
Kill the bandits, man.
Let's beat him up.
Beat us up. Beat us bad. Beat us bad. Oh my god, you've been a very bad boy. Holy crap, these are my boots now.
I got
Now, you
762
got
ammo, Alex.
This is way more than me. Here,
Enchant
take these
armor,
boots.
sir. Single, sir.
Whoa, whoa, what is
It'll
this?
help you survive this kid. Alright.
You know how you survived the apocalypse.
You apocalypse?
It's dangerous to
What
go
is
alone.
what's supposed to be the
Alex,
apocalypse?
Alex, you know what we have to do for an episode? Baby talk episode. We just talk in baby language. Not like that.
Oh my god, Daddy!
Oh,
Please
man, I
feed
can't
me!
do my full
Daddy,
credit.
there's a bandit over here.
Alright, no, I can't. Okay.
Mommy, come here, please!
I'm gonna suck on your titty. Give me milk.
Give me some milk.
No, that's baby talk, dude. Only if babies are like 30-year-old black men.
Yo, give me some milk.
Hey, give me some. Yeah, but give me a second.
I can just see that happening.
Wait, how?
Because I just can see it happening. Yo, hold
Dude,
me,
you're
give me some
weird.
milk. Say, give me some milk before I cry, little homie.
Dude, I laughed so hard.
Give me something before I pop a cap in your way. Cuz?
Blue.
You're gonna rob a guy and you're a baby. Give me some milk.
Created a new faction called Hacks.
Oh my god, easy. You know, 111 is a hacker with $1,000 client.
$1,000 hacking client.
Guys,
Yeah.
I have a helicopter.
You know what I'm using? A free hacking client from wizardhacks.com, the best site to get your Minecraft hacks.
Why are you advertising?
Yeah, why you gotta advertise, dude? There's already too many advertisements.
There's nothing to advertise if I'm not having anything to advertise worthy. No?
Alex,
Can you? Okay, hand, but I realized I didn't have a weapon.
let's not go over there. Can we not go over there?
I want to go over here. There's like stone and stuff. This is cool looking. It's better than the stupid grass with retard shack.
There's a full enchanted Kevlar / leather over there, just sitting in his base, waiting for someone to walk by him so he can rape him in their sleep. And he has.
I see a sheep. I don't know what you're talking about. I want this sheep. This sheep.
That's not a sheep. That's a
Oh,
bear.
it's a bear!
Are you autistic?
He's acoustic.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. I can't wait to have the booty in my
Fields of green.
It's Mr. Postman.
Roses too.
Oh yeah, it's Mr.
Roses
Postman.
too. Red roses too. And I think to my red roses too.
Where's your AK-47?
I don't have one. I dropped a round for Alex to pick up. A single bullet.
I picked
Skunks, not hot. Skitty pop, yeah.
Why you sound so racist when you sound completely white when you're like, oh my god, man's not hot. Cause you get a boom boom pow.
Yeah, skitty pop, yeah, man's not hot.
Don't. Oh my god.
Skibbity bob, yeah, man's not hot.
Mine's not hot.
Oh god.
That's a bear, Dal. Hey, yo, ma. Get me some meatloaf. Oh god, the bear! Ow!
Oh my. You must have raped. That bear does not like you.
He doesn't like you, dude.
Bear hates souls.
He does nothing to me. He's like you. He does nothing. Just like you.
I don't know, last I checked,
I'm in
you're
radiation.
bad! Oh! Oh, got him!
Who's Mr.
Oh.
Anthrax? Alright.
Oh, I
Mr.
hate
Anthrax?
that
That's a
guy.
drug.
The last time I played this game, I died here, and my god said.
Whoa,
This was
radiation, poisoning, yeah.
Oh my god, I love this ride town.
Radiation.
I remember when I was a scrub.
My
I
radiation.
didn't know what
Yup.
radiation
I
was,
hate
and
this
died.
sound, oh my god.
It sounds like AIDS.
I hate this town.
It sounds like I'm playing DayZ.
And all my friends don't give a
Desert
fuck.
Mr. Dumby made me one already.
Wait, Dumby's on? Ew. Oh, I rated him last
This
one.
kid in a desert clock's like, I make you banner for your channel.
Make you ban? I want to see the banner.
Dumby, the Dumbo.
Yeah.
Hey, this is a shout out to Dumby. I know you're not feeling great, man, and it's never gonna get better. I just want you to know that I'm feeling much better than you.
That's not even. Oh my god.
Oh, God.
That's terrible.
I'm sorry, were messages supposed to be entitled or enlightening or something like that?
Oh god, my hand. That was my hand.
I was gonna hit him up.
Maybe it was too hard there.
We had the same idea.
When you're
Dude,
like,
you
two
were
idiots.
this retarded because you drew with Sharpies for like a whole day straight and you had to inhale that stuff.
What?
I actually used to like sniff Sharpies on a daily basis.
No, oh
There's
my
no-
god, never.
I was known as
Sharpies.
the Sharpie sniffer. You're such an asshole.
Oh my god!
Man, look at all that Kevlar. It's gonna be lost
Look at
forever.
all that karma that I just
Hey, I
had.
picked up all his. Ooh, legendary legs.
Hey, give that shit.
Stop, guys!
Yes,
It's got my CC, Alex. Stop picking up my stuff, guys!
It's a little late. We did pick it up.
You scrubs.
I picked it up through the wall.
Hacker.
It's not hacked, so they don't know.
I need my 50
I-
bullets with my... I need my 50 bullets with my 12 shotgun shells.
You can leave me alone, Sifu. I
Alex,
only got
bad
30.
news bears. We got 3 people. Don't know what they have on.
What?
I don't remember how
Oh,
much
the
else.
garbage here. The garbage. I need some food, Daddy, yo. I need some food.
I don't know what else is yours, son. Ming Mong? Ming Mong?
I'm done. Do you need some milk? Alright, one second, I'm coming.
You know they way.
How old? Yeah. Good job.
What a lot of people.
Spit on the fake queen. Alright.
Spit on the fake.
Yo, what are these
What?
people doing? Like, what is this?
They're having a party that I could get
They
into.
all started running. I'm gonna shoot that one kid who's wearing armor.
And just keep on running. Just keep
Tim
running,
Tebow.
running.
Yeet.
Yeet 'em.
Yeah, yeet, son.
Yeah, yeet these kids.
Yo, the guy's a book over here. His name is Sangar. Let's kill him. Quick, kill him.
No, we have to kill this guy.
Oh!
Got him.
Oh! Got killed, though. Excuse me, mate. What are you doing? The guy just got banned for hacking. Got banned for hacking. Got kicked for hacking. Banned/kicked for hacking. You gotta hack too hard, mate.
This radiation is on point. I like it.
Sir, the only way to escape the radiation is up here.
I like when people block the red tons and then Yusuf gets on. Best day ever.
It's like, what was all that?
Oh shit, son, I might actually die. Yabi.
You know what he told me? He said,
Oh, I'm dead.
he typed in chat one time, he's like, you know, my favorite part of my day is when I have to wipe all the
Alex,
things.
you didn't protect me.
I'm sorry.
You're not dead.
I killed one.
Oh, you. Okay, well,
Yeah.
you just destroyed him.
That
These
is a
boots are made for walking.
Killer
These-
Clown, that's your name? Oh my god, no wonder I denied that last request of yours.
I set that kid on fire and put him in a corner. I'm gonna just sit up here like my shotgun.
Alex, there's a guy behind you who's a hacker, by the way. That's the guy that just got kicked for hacking.
Don't worry.
You
I
got-
have a shotgun. Look at that thing.
I had shotgun.
Hey, my
Perfect.
gear is in here though, Alex. Like the dude in there.
He picked all. Alex is all your. Alex,
I have your stuff, sir.
Oh,
yeah,
you
it's
do?
just stuff.
Wait.
Yeah.
Alex, did you mean puppy?
Behind you, sir. Behind you. Behind you, sir. Behind you.
Wait, is Fox Raider? Oh, I need that. I need that back. I need that back. Sangar. I need that axe.
I don't know what was all yours, sir.
Sangar.
Hmm.
I need that axe.
Oh, there's a bear!
That's how he was yelling, I need that axe.
I need that axe, Sangar,
Here,
please.
someone take the sword. I
I don't want your cringy sword. It's so garbage. I'm gonna kill Sangar with it.
No, he just...
It broke as well. Whoa. I'm keeping the sword actually.
Good
I'm
thing
gonna
Jake's not. He would have like thrown up.
I don't.
Jake would have screamed at the top of his lungs and who'd been all acoustic. And, you know, that goes.
Oh, one doesn't he? Hmm.
Oh god. He's like, I will be a better person than all of you, and he quits the server. And it's like, okay.
I rated what's his name? Duckface. I rated Blade by accident. Yeah, I rated Blade his back by accident. My C4 slipped onto his base.
Nice to meet you.
Whoop! I just dropped a C4. Gosh, that always happens.
I accidentally rated the MI6 member one time in
Alex, that's the base I'm talking about. That one right there on the hill.
Where? There's like thousands of them. Where?
Straight ahead, right ahead. On halfway.
Yeah,
up
because there's totally not 12 bases right there.
Yeah. I know what he was talking about.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
where
too.
you had gear in there, right?
No.
No?
No?
This
No.
is not your base over here?
No, dude, my bases be dead. They got wiped. Clean. Gone.
Dang.
All we have left for the oh god.
You stay that.
Yeah, no.
Easy loot, easy loot, easy loot.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, say where?
You lost retard. Where's the cringe castle?
It was this way.
Where's the current castle? You lost it.
I know the way.
You know the way?
You know
I
the
know
way. You not have a bullet to know the way.
Oh god, I get stuck on the screen.
You just spit on this.
Oh, full kill. Oh, headshot! Oh, I killed him!
Oh, we got him! Ah! Oh, there's a dude running for the gear. Dude, running for the gear, Alex.
You headshot him, Alex?
Twice!
twice.
SVDOP, he's running. He grabbed that stuff and dipped.
Alex is pro with sniper.
I am.
Sounds like hacks. Get this
Sure.
loot stealing son of a whore.
Hold up.
Come on, headshot him, Alex. I know you can do it.
Oh, frick, you fell right.
Come on. Don't body shoot him. Yes! He's low!
Last bullet too.
Easy kills, easy loot. Alex, get away
Look
from
at
my
that.
loot. Oh my god!
Oh, I got a Kevlar.
I got 2 handguns.
Oh my-
There's a dude over here.
Can I have a handgun? Can I have a handgun? I need one. I have ammo for it.
Oh, they're both reloaded fully. Nice meeting. Oh, he has so many shotgun shells. Finally, ammo.
Yes, I need some ammo, please, sir.
Oh, there's a man in his own little crun shack. Ha! Man's not hot. Papa Scar.
Take half.
Aw. Hello. Alex, come say hi to this.
I have an efficiency axe. If you open
Man,
this door, I'm just gonna
not
pop in and kill him.
Hot.
Man's not hot. Man's gonna be hot.
Raid me, nothing here.
Raid me. Nothing here.
We don't want
That
your
is the-
easy gear.
That is
Watch
the
his eyes.
cringiest. Look at his face. Like, what is up with his eyes? Ow!
They're probably enemy.
Watch out, I'm trying to ditch. See, I hit him.
Yeah, I know you can do that.
I know, it's easy.
Raid me good, guys. Raid me, gay boys. Hey, that's a chat ban right there. He said the G word.
Ooh, that's a G word. The only
Oh,
word they banned for is
no, drink the potion, it helps you. I gave you a potion, drink it.
No, it's anti-radiation.
I know, you drink it in the, when you go into a rat town, it's dirty.
Whoa. Ah.
It's jet fuel.
Yeah, this is, fine, I'll give it back to you, Jesus. God. Fucking Christ.
It's jet
Fuel scared. So what's fuel good for?
You can drink it and actually give you energy.
No, it doesn't.
This
It'll kill you.
guy's
It's gonna kill you.
retarded.
It's bleach, okay? It's basically bleach. You only
Dude,
drink
I
it
love
for the
drinking.
bells.
The flavor and the smell, it's exquisite.
I remember at the end of the ripe, I paid someone, I near the ripe, 1C4 to drink some bleach, which was the fuel. At my casino that I had.
Yeah. I actually robbed her casino. I don't know if you knew about that.
Wow.
Yeah. Sorry.
My casino got broken down when it got raided by a group of 6.
Whoa, there's a beacon, a black beacon.
You see the-
Yeah, you see that? It looks
It's
like
the
mine.
racist feel.
Oh, it's speaking black. It reminds me of something. Anyway, so
Life.
Like what?
yeah, speaking black. What? You're level.
Immediately, all you hear is, like what? Does anyone here have any 7.62?
I dropped one round for you way early on.
I have a god ton of 9 ammo.
Oh, that's
I
am a god?
P90.
I am a god.
I am a god. You bow down to me now, or I rape you.
Whoa! You must not go that way, my brother.
I rub my finger into your rumbum
Whoa.
and finger you other way.
Ah! Yeah!
Is that what
Oh,
you're trying to do, like,
you
with
can't
this?
Can somebody end my life?
20-year-old
Dude,
guy in
I'm
Minecraft.
thinking- yeah, is this like the only 20-year-old who plays Minecraft? Actually, no, I know a 22-year-old who plays Minecraft. But that was
This guy
like
does
2 years
Minecraft?
ago. No.
What? So he's like 24 and still plays Minecraft? Jeez, what a fucking champ, dude.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, hey, look how close we got to our home.
Hey, look at that scrub up there.
Let's go.
Ski, pop, pop, boom, pow. I be checking your mom's style.
Why are you looking at my mother?
I thought your mother was dead, because, like, how old you are.
My brother. My mother is not dead.
I shot-
She is alive!
I got spike barricades. I got more spike barricades.
There's a-
Barricades with spikes.
There's
Give me that bow. Give me that
No,
bow
it's
now.
my
Give me that
bow.
Give
Shut up.
that bow.
My fucking bow.
Let's go kill those scrubs.
Oh, there's a
They all-
sniper bandit.
Yeah, let's go kill him. Come on. Come on, let's go kill him. Let's go rape him. Let's go.
Oh, there's two. Oh, never mind.
Come on, let's go. They don't hurt.
Need to heal
They
up.
don't hurt. They don't hurt. Come on.
A quarter of your health per shot, that's all.
Ouch.
Oh, that's weak.
Unless you're like, wow, it took you that long to kill yours. Scrub. Ow, ow. Look, they had friends inside the whole time.
Let's kill him. Let's get him.
Sir, handgun.
Oh, the strafe. Oh, the strafe. Oh. Seen that strafe, Alex. Wait, another one spawned. Oi, oi. This is his brother.
The brother.
Oh my gosh, it hurts. Food.
Do you know the food?
Do you know the way? Here, take these boots. Take these boots. Sangar.
Sangor.
Wow, I got boots.
Here. I just gave you boots and Alex picked them up. Pick them up. Pick them up.
Ah.
There you
They
go.
broke though.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So,
Yes,
and-
bitch.
Rape them, Alex. Get it, little boy.
Ooh, I headshot him as I flew. Killer.
Keemstar.
You looted the guy you killed.
I know, exactly.
Behind you!
Behind you.
Oh my god, what are you doing? Easy plays. Easy plays. Yes.
What's he trying to shoot me now? Because I shot him?
Another jet.
Whoa, give me that 7.62.
Let me see, where is it
I need it
at?
for my sniper.
I got 5.
Why you drop it like that?
Because I have more on me and I don't want to give it to you. Let's eat chest. How long is the video so far?
Too
Let's
long.
See, I made it a 2-parter, but this so far we've been doing this for about 70 minutes.
I actually
Jesus.
died.
You
Hearing
have
that
no
number
idea.
made me reevaluate my life choices, and they are not good.
Are you gonna upload both of them in one day? Or
Heck yeah, tonight, guys, after everyone goes to bed, we're going to be uploading because it takes like 6 years to upload around my house for some reason.
no balls. You have no balls to do that. Upload.
Well, he is a man, so I would hope he has testicles.
No, he lost his balls in no fight against me. I fucking
Back in
chopped
numb.
him.
This
I destroyed Alex in a PvP fight.
He destroyed his balls.
I destroyed.
Ooh, stone brick skim, iron door, aloe vera, and a sniper rifle.
Aww.
Are we just gonna camp this rat town? Are we just gonna camp him?
Yeah, why not? Actually,
Man, look at
I
all
got
that
a full
garbage.
inventory, so let's go store some stuff.
Fucking nah, I needed these arrows.
I didn't mean to hit
Holy
you.
raw pork.
Welcome to Nom.
Oh, excuse me. Don't you cut. It's not allowed.
Welcome. Welcome.
Hey,
to
can we go
Nom,
back to base? I need to take a
where
pee.
we shoot scrubs with info.
Diana boobs. Diana boobs there, buddy. Hmm.
No, don't you guys have school tomorrow? Or not you, you 20-year-old. I mean,
No,
Alex.
I've got
Oh
classes.
god, I do understand.
College.
You guys have
dipshit.
classes?
I
Oh,
haven't
college,
gone
alright.
until midnight, so low-key.
I thought you had no life.
Oh, sir, I see your house. There's a full Kevlar at it.
Well, don't you guys have, like, school?
I do.
AKA
Wait,
tomorrow.
where'd her house go?
I don't know where the cringe castle would be.
Oh, here it is.
Not
I have to
far
get off
from.
at, like,
think.
see, I have to get off at 2 o'clock in the morning, so that's why I have to get off.
It was like a full circle video. It started
Yep.
at her house and ended at her house.
Thank God, I'm so happy.
But we
I can't recall one
Hey,
time.
that
I've
third
really-
person is not me. I'm coming in for the kill. We're doing it for the thrill, boys and girls. Those. Man, look at this.
Hey, guys.
We played for like.
I'm going
Ow.
pee. I'll be right back. I'm going pee.
Shot me.
Don't. I didn't mean to. Don't blow me up. Don't kill me.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys later.
Suck my dick.